Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make yourself look older in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find application and install it. After installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started uploading our images that we want to use. Right here at the bottom of the screen we have the camera roll option or the gallery option to select the photos we want to use. So let's go take a look and select one of our photos to open up this editor menu and see how we can get started right now. So after this, we can get started with navigating to the age section. In the bottom editing menu that you can see right here, you can scroll horizontally until you find the age section. So here we have the beards, the makeup and so on, and here is the age option. So now you can go ahead and turn yourself either into young, teen, child, whatever you prefer. All the options are going to be available right here for you to go and choose from. So you have multiple options you can tap on, and this is going to give you an older look. And here you have the old at the right side of the screen. You can go and swipe to find the old section, and by finding this you can go and select your filters that you want to use, apply them and get started saving your photos once you're satisfied, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.